In this video, you'll learn how to connect to a plaintext Kafka cluster in KafkIO. When you load KafkIO for the first time, you should see a screen like this. To get started, click Add Cluster. This opens the cluster properties screen where you can configure everything you need. In this example, we're connecting to a plaintext cluster, so the setup is very straightforward. First, let's give the cluster a name. I'll call this dev plaintext. Next, I'll assign a color which will represent our development environment. In this cluster, there are two bootstrap servers. One is running on host Kafka 0, port 9092, and another is on host Kafka 1, port 9192. You don't need to list every server here, one is actually enough. KafkIO will discover the rest. And since KafkIO is a tool and not a high importance producer or consumer, there's no requirement to configure all of the servers here for failover purposes. It's up to you. Once that's done, click Test Connection. As expected, no problems. But before we save this, let's take a quick look at the Kafka Security tab. The default security type is already set to plaintext, so we didn't have to adjust anything here this time. So let's save the configuration. The cluster appears in the top left panel. To connect, you have a few options. You can use the main menu, the toolbar button, this context menu, or simply double-click the cluster. Once connected, we can start browsing the cluster. For example, here we're looking at some broker metrics and settings, and so on. Let's explore the topics now. In this right-hand panel here, we have a list view of all the topics in the cluster. Let's see if we can browse this one. I'll start live streaming this topic, and as you'll see, messages are now streaming into KafkIO in real time. You can enable compact tables to see more at once. So that's it. You're connected and already consuming data. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.